How to use templates on TikTok, quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use templates on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app and this is where you will get on your For You page. So first of all, what I want you to do is go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and update TikTok. Make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok available on your phone. Once you have it, you will open it up and you will get here. Let's create a new TikTok where we will get the template option. So click on this plus button and it will take you to the TikTok camera. At the bottom, you can see we have the camera option and then we have template. Right at the bottom, you can see next to the camera option, I'm going to switch to templates and it will open up the TikTok templates. Templates are simply some of the pre-made layouts for us where we just need to upload photos and we will get our own videos. You can take a preview first at what kind of video you want. So you can see like each of the template has its own name. For example, this one is called swing and we have upload 1 to 4 photos with a subject. So we have to upload like 4 photos and we will get a video like this. Then we have this one, full base, select 5 items. Okay, this one right here with 1 to 6 photos. I'm gonna select the one and show you how we will make it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. This template looks pretty good and I'm gonna upload 5 photos. So what you need to do is you will click on upload photos. It will open up the gallery for you. I'm gonna select 5 photos. Alright, 5 photos selected. Okay. And it will just take a second to create your TikTok video. You can see how cool it looks. It even has a sound. Let me show you. So yeah guys, this is how you use TikTok template. Now the video is created within seconds. I will click on next and now I will add the description, tag people, and I will, do all the settings. Click on post and my video will be created. So you can create cool transition videos and photo videos like this on TikTok using templates. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.